This is a completely different stream from the summertime when I was up here, remember? This wee tributary running just at the Struil between Oma and Newton. It's deeper. A little bit more wilder, and it's November the 13th, I think it is, Wednesday the 13th. I'm not going to go too far, but I'll go up, I suppose, about a mile anyway. It's great exploring places for the first time. I didn't go up this side the last time. There's the far fields. See, it's like a little river on its own, you know. Well, I'm not going to go no further. I'm up a good, I suppose, about 4 or 5 fields like that there. But there's nothing really to report on this river. This spawning stream that they have signs all over the place saying, like, you know, salmon have been known to spawn in these streams. I can see nothing anyway. And you would actually see salmon sort of scooting up there if you come across these type of pools here in a sudden sort of walk-in, if you know what I mean. So there's nothing there, and I've done about, I suppose, about 20 or 30 of them all the way down. But summing up, either I'm too late, too early, or it just doesn't happen. But I'm going to go right up into near Gortin now, the foothills, the bottom of the foothills of Gortin, where there's a huge bit of a loch where this stream actually sort of descends out of and works its way down through the mountain. So I'll go up and have a wee look there before I head back over the hills, Plum Bridge, and down into Strabane again.